heading to another job site. Ooh, no good, no good. Oh, no good. And wow, that was insane. So we're headed to another job site, and it's described as a casino and speedway track, so we'll see how this goes as in filming, but hopefully it's not crowded. I don't know if I'll go inside of the casino because I'm not much of a gambler. Don't really believe in that stuff, so I would just like to see something interesting though. I mean, it's a small town here, so it'd be nice to see something interesting. So we'll see you guys when we're there. There is a casino out here, huh? Huh. Good Lord, I wonder how this is gonna go. Casino, huh? Do I just go in here, huh? I see some trailers over there. Let's see here, let's see if it's one of these guys. On, everything on, going live. Baby's good to go. Well. Should buy these up, everybody. Buy them up. And we can end plastic waste together. So we're gonna go drive around this parking lot, check it all out, and see what there is. I've never been to a casino. Never been, so let's check this out. It's either, some people either say it's a good thing or a bad thing that I've never been to a casino. I think it's a good thing. I think gambling's a terrible thing, but as there being no city life around, I'm interested. So this is the casino, huh? Wow. What's my mom doing here? That's what my mom, that's the car that my mom drives. All right. There's a cat ran across over here. I wonder what he's doing. Oh yeah, I can see some slots in there, huh? Oh wow, man. A lot of people here. I really don't think we're gonna go in there. This is an interesting place. What's here? There's an exhibit. Oh, I think we're gonna end it here, lads, ladies, gentlemen, other tire lovers, rubber thumpers, other rubber lovers. We will see you on the next one. For now, we're gonna head back to home base and carry on doing what we're doing today. We're done for today. If you like this type of content, we would really appreciate it if you would like and subscribe. We're trying to hit the 50 subscriber mark so we can go live and do live videos and unlock the other options of YouTube. We will be getting a PC soon. We will be coming back into the game. Well, we never owned a PC in the first place. We will be breaking the game when we get a PC. I can guarantee you that. So stay tuned, and if you enjoy what you see, please, it really would help if you do give us a like and a subscribe. Thank you for watching, and be safe out there. Have a good rest of your day.